Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March 28, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis. You guys can definitely tell right there at the top of this website that the market cap continues to go down. I sent out a post on our private Facebook group. If you guys are not a member of our Patreon group, please go there, because we are definitely giving you guys information that is not available to the rest of the public. So it would be beneficial for you all to come and join us on Patreon, because we have a lot of news and information, recommendations of where we expect the cryptocurrency market to go, breaking updates that we notice on these price charts. It would be definitely a benefit for you all to come and join us at our Patreon page at HueFin News. Nevertheless, you guys can still tell that the market cap for the cryptocurrency space is one of negativity. The downtrend continues, so hopefully you guys have been out of the market for some time. We come here on YouTube on a daily basis, giving you guys daily analysis of what we expect the cryptocurrency space to do, so you all should have been aware of what is occurring in the market space. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get started. But before I do, please understand that anything that is mentioned on this video is not to be considered investment advice, because we are not investment advisors. But what we are doing, we are here to give you all the news according to the charts, and we are one of the best YouTube channels in this space that is not giving you all a lot of hype. We are giving you the unadulterated language of these charts. We're not here to persuade, we're not here to sway. We're just giving you exactly what the chart is telling us, so you can on your own make your own decision on what you need to do when you are in the market for trading. So now currently you guys can still tell that Bitcoin is currently having some positive gains in the market. They're up 0.40%, but Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin are all down 1.61, 1.20, and 4.39 respectively. If you guys were a member on our Patreon group, I sent out a huge message about what is occurring in Litecoin, about why is this particular cryptocurrency moving down so drastically than a lot of the other altcoins. And we have our presumptions of why Litecoin is trending a lot lower than the other ones. So if you guys are interested in that, please come and join us on Patreon. So now let's go ahead and get started. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin on the Bitfinex website. They are up 0.31%. The last trade was $7,944.80. We're looking at the daily price chart, and you guys can definitely tell as I zoom out a little bit that the market continues to give us downward pressure all the way back from the beginning of this year. The market has been trending lower. Also, you guys can still tell that we're within a consolidation in Bitcoin. The market definitely needs to find support right here around these lows of these particular bars back to the beginning of February. We traded lower today past that support area, and you guys can still tell that we're getting stockpiled on this particular bar, which is another precursor of weakness. But nevertheless, it is currently closed above this previous close, so at least we're expecting consolidation to continue in Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the 3-hour bars real quick. And definitely you guys can tell that consolidation, or just simply trading sideways, is occurring in the market. Support is there at $7,800, and resistance is around $8,000 or even $8,100. Now as I zoom in, you guys can definitely tell that we are noticing precursors of strength on this particular bar, on this 3-hour bar, but stockpile is definitely coming to market. But nevertheless, we're still looking for Bitcoin to move higher in price. It will have to break resistance of $8,000 though, in order for them to at least come back up to $8,100. We do expect that to occur, especially if this current 3-hour bar closes above this previous close. We're definitely looking for Bitcoin to move higher, albeit it might just be only up to $8,100, but nevertheless we're still expecting it to at least move to that price point. If not that, then around $8,040, $8,050 is the next area that we're looking for Bitcoin to go. So overall, we're just looking for consolidation to continue in Bitcoin. So next we are going to look at Ethereum. So Ethereum currently is down 2.61%. Last trade was $444.99. Daily price chart for Ethereum. No interest in higher prices on the daily price chart. We received a lot of volume on yesterday's trading bar, and we tried to make an effort to move higher in price, but you guys can definitely tell that there's no interest in higher prices. So the next stage that we might be entering into for Ethereum is consolidation, and then from there we'll be able to make a decision on whether or not we're going to be moving lower or if we'll be moving higher. Okay, so even on this 3-hour bar, we are not seeing any indications that the market participants wants to move Ethereum higher in price. Even on this current 3-hour bar, there is a huge decision being made. A lot of volatility is being done on this one bar. The market participants have tried to move the price higher, they tried to move the price lower, and now the bar currently is closed towards the opening of the bar. So we at equilibrium right now for Ethereum on this 3-hour bar. So we will have to move it to a smaller time frame to see exactly which of the market is benefiting. So definitely you guys can see on this 1-hour chart that the market participants came in and bought on this particular bar only for the fact that it was able to close above the previous close, but we still have stockpile on this particular bar. So we're not expecting Ethereum to move substantially higher. We're just expecting consolidation to occur. In the short term, $440 is going to be the support area. Resistance is going to be all the way back up there to 450. So that's going to be our analysis for Ethereum, is for them to continue to consolidate, and that consolidation again is 440 support and around $450 as resistance. So now we're looking at the 30-minute bar. This is definitely giving us a different picture versus the hourly and the 3-hour chart. A lot of stockpile came in on this particular 30-minute bar because the next one closed towards the low of the bar. So we still have a lot of weakness in Ethereum. So the market can definitely move to the downside again, only just to find support. So expect our analysis to continue to consolidate, but there's a lot more weight to Ethereum moving lower. And that's within that consolidation. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 5.32%. Last trade was $131.70. Daily price chart for Litecoin, non-interest in higher prices again. Market needs to find support relatively soon. Might come all the way back down to $120 because we definitely are noticing that we're not having no interest in higher prices on the daily price chart. And as well, the market broke the key area of support of $140. So now we're going to find a new area of support, and the logical place is going to be $120. So on the daily price chart, we're expecting Litecoin to continue to move lower. 3-hour chart for Litecoin, again, consolidation is occurring. Market participants are definitely trying to keep price from moving past $130. So currently just expect consolidation to occur in the short term. Let's move it to a 1-hour bar, see if we got something different. So looking at the 1-hour chart, kind of looks just like with Ethereum's chart. Market participants came in, was able to push the market all the way up to $134, but there's still stockpile in the market. So once we get all of this stockpile out the market, then the market will freely move to the upside. So in the short term, continue to expect Litecoin to continue to consolidate. $130 is going to be support, and $134 is going to be resistance. Okay, on this current 1-hour bar, if it closes above the previous close, then we run a higher probability of moving higher. If it closes below, then we will be breaking that support area of $130, or at least finding $131 as support. So now the last one for today is going to be Ripple. So you guys can see that Ripple is down 1.63%. Last trade was around 57 cents. Daily price chart for Ripple. Sideways trading action is occurring today on the daily price chart. So not too much to talk about on the daily price chart. pay attention to the volume, though. The volume is lighter compared to what has been the last 2 trading days, which is an indication that the market is becoming less oversold rather than overbought. So now we're looking at the 3-hour chart for Ripple, and you guys can see that 56.5 cents was holding quite strong as support, and as long as that continues, then expect Ripple to consolidate. Okay, so as long as the market stays above 56.5 cents, then expect the market to consolidate. And looking at this particular chart, that's what we're expecting for our analysis. We're expecting Ripple to continue to consolidate. 56.5 cents is going to be support, and resistance is going to be all the way up there at 59 cents. So in between those 2 prices is where we're expecting Ripple to trade, given the fact that this current 3-hour bar, if it closes above this previous one, then definitely we're looking for Ripple to move higher, okay, within this consolidation range that we just told you. So that's all we have for today, March 28, 2018. A quick recap for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Definitely we're seeing some consolidation within the short term, and as long as the 3-hour bars close above that previous close, then expect these cryptocurrencies to continue to move higher. It might not move higher, it might just go back up to those resistance areas that I told you about on each of these individual cryptocurrencies. But nevertheless, long term, we're not out of the woods yet. So I mean, this might be a good opportunity to put in a short trade and make a profit off of, but currently we're not expecting the market to break out to higher prices as of yet. So that's all we have for today. If you guys are interested in learning more about the financial language of the markets, as always, come and join us on our Patreon page. Everyone, stay profitable, and I will talk to you all later.